Alright, so in this video, we're gonna explore the rest of the tools inside the Tools tab. Last time we did talk about this chatbot menu tool, and I explained it. And for this video, we're gonna explain those two tools, Magic Links and QR Code. So what Magic Links do, it will embed your chatbot live on any website. Okay, let's say, for example, our company is called Bright Home, and I want to see how my chatbot widget, which is this one, how it will looks like inside my website. Let's say, for example, let's search for a website. Okay, let's say this one. It's just an example, and I want to see how this widget will looks like inside my website without actually integrating the chatbot inside it. While I am developing the chatbot, I just want to see how it looks like. That's the purpose of Magic Links and of this tool called Magic Link, and it's very, very important because you will need to do that while you are working on your chatbot. Let me first show you how exactly. Here you just copy the link of the website, then paste it here, and then click generate. And you can copy the generated link here, or click on show, or generate a QR code for this link. So you can scan it using, for example, your mobile phone or your client mobile phone. You can send this QR code to him, and he will get this link. Let me just click on show here, and there. Here our website, and this is the chatbot. And I didn't actually integrate the chatbot inside the code of the website. It's just a trick to just for test purpose. You want to see how your chatbot will be inside, will looks like inside the your website. And also you might want to use it to style and customize the appearance of your chatbot while you are working on it before actually adding it to your website. For example, here I noticed that they have this yellow brand color, and my chatbot it's all blue, so it doesn't have the same look and feel of their website. So what I need to do is pick this color. I'll show you a simple example and get back inside the dashboard. I'll explain this style feature in the next video, but for now I just want to show you. Okay, let me just paste the color here and do some trick. I want to change the header. Here it said header, FusionBot header. I want to change the background. So type background, then paste the same color and click save. If I get back here, see, it's the same color. So it's much closer to how your website looks like. So you may need it while you are styling your website. You may want to change the background color or the color of the text inside the chatbot, or maybe the background or the text fonts, maybe. Yeah, so it's a cool tool. You may want to use it. You can also, for example, if you are developing a chatbot, not for you but for your client, for another person, and you want to show him how the website will look like with the widget. So all you need to do is just copy the link here, then let me do it again, copy the link, then generate the magic link. I call this magic link. Then just copy it and send it by mail, or maybe you want to send him a QR code. Yeah, so this is the magic link. And for this tool called QR code, what it will do, it will create QR code for your widget chatbot or full screen chatbot. So here we have two options. We have the widget chatbot, which is the small one, the actual one that you will integrate eventually inside your website. And we have also this one, and you can use this one also. So if you click here on QR code, you're gonna find the two options. Let's say, for example, widget chatbot. If I click on generate QR code, I will get this QR code image, and I can change the size of it, and I can download it. Right now I'm recording using my computer, so I cannot scan it with my mobile, so I just have to go to this website, QR code scanner, anyway, any QR code scanner online. For example, this one. Click on scan, then upload the image, and I'll get the same link. It's the same one. And if I choose full screen chatbot instead, it will generate another QR code. I download it, then there, it will generate QR code for this link. So for example, you have a product, and you want to put a QR code on that product, and say, for example, if you want to know more about this product, all you need to do is just scan this code, and what your client will do, they will scan the code and end up in this page, and here they will have inside the chatbot all the information they want about your product. Or for example, maybe you have a YouTube channel, and you want to add a QR code that will redirect the viewers to your website at the end of any video. So what you just need to do is generate QR code for your chatbot and download it and put it on the video. And that's it. This is the QR code tool, and we still have this logs tool. Probably you're not gonna pay attention for it. You're only gonna use it when in the case that you see a message here that said, for example, an error occurred, please try again. For whatever reason, a bug happens inside the system. What you need to do is just go to this log tool and click on it. You can refresh, and if you find any error here, you just have to copy it and send the error text to us, and we'll fix that bug if there is any. Yes, that's it for this one, and we already explored this tool. So chatbot menu. So hopefully you get an idea about those tools, and of course in the future we're gonna add so many more other tools inside this tab. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and have a good day.